Have you ever heard of microgreens? These are tiny edible plants that are easy and quick to grow, and are packed with nutrients. In this video, we'll talk about what microgreens are, their benefits, and why you should grow them yourself. Microgreens are young plants of edible vegetables and herbs that are usually harvested within 7 to 14 days of germination. They are smaller than baby greens and larger than sprouts, with fully developed cotyledon leaves and sometimes true leaves. They come in various colors, textures, and flavors, and are often used as garnish, salad greens, or sandwich fillings. Common types of microgreens include arugula, kale, radish, cilantro, and basil. Microgreens are not only delicious and appealing, but also have numerous health benefits. Compared to their mature counterparts, they can contain up to 40 times more nutrients per weight, such as vitamins C, E, K, minerals, iron, calcium, magnesium, antioxidants, and other phytochemicals. Eating microgreens can boost immunity, digestion, vision, and heart health, and may help prevent chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Now you may wonder why bother growing microgreens when you can buy them at the store. Well, there are several good reasons to grow your own microgreens. First, it's cheaper and fresher than buying them. Second, you have more control over the quality and variety of your microgreens. Third, it's a fun and rewarding way to garden, especially if you have limited space, time, or experience. You can grow microgreens indoors year-round using only a few simple tools and materials. In summary, microgreens are a healthy and tasty option to add to your diet, and growing them yourself is a simple and enjoyable activity. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, give microgreens a try and discover the benefits for yourself.